go. Okay, so the cabin series is over, and we'll come back to that bad boy from time to time. Right now, I want to check out my property, and I'm thinking we cowboy camp next to a creek. Let's get to it. Okay, we're at the edge of my property. I have roughly 70 acres-ish, and I have a creek that runs through most of it. And it's not very wide, it's about 20 feet across, as you can see right here. And some spots are shallow, but there's deep mud holes. And I want to see what kind of fish we got inside here. Those that follow my Instagram, Corporals Corner on Instagram, you've seen me pull some fish out of here. We're talking bass like this. So I'm gonna look in here, and we're gonna find some nice areas. We're gonna fish a little bit, and I'm thinking we camp right here, cowboy style. And hopefully have us some fish for dinner. Let's get to it. There's a wide branch right there. I need 2 of those. If you like what you see here, please do me a favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. Then take it a step further, grab your cell phone, download the free YouTube app, and sign in. This will give you push notifications when my new videos drop. Okay, so we got a fire pit and a canvas A-frame shelter. That's Cowboy Camping AF right there. So I'm thinking get my fishing pole and try to find some bait fish that I can use to get bigger fish or a different type of fish. There's sunfish in here, there's bass in here, and there's catfish in here. So let's do it. And there we go. Change of plans. I'm keeping that bad boy for myself. That's a crappie. So they're definitely in here, and that's a plus. So let's get back at it. Okay, so I'm keeping that crappie for me. I took off the tail. I'm going to attach it to this line for catfish. We'll talk about this line here in a few minutes, what I did to set it up. But there's the tail. I'm going to toss that bad boy back out there and hopefully get something for tonight. And that's what we're talking about right there. Bass, baby. That's a small one. As always, all the gear in my videos can be found in two places. One, my Amazon influencer page, and two, my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. If you're interested in Corporals Corner merchandise, that can be found on Teespring. All three links are found inside my description box. It's pretty good. Corporals fish tacos. Black crappie, breaded, put in olive oil with some slaw and sharp cheddar cheese. Just missing some avocado and some ranch. Catch you all in a few. So I apologize for this video. This is something different. This is me actually enjoying myself. Not a lot of bushcraft. Yeah, we set up our wide branches and our tarp over here. That's cool. Made a fire. But I wanted to actually sit back and enjoy myself after that 3-week build that I did on that tiny home or the off-grid cabin. If you haven't seen that, check it out. It's actually 4-part series. 1, 2, 3, and then a compilation with part 4 added to it. So it's an off-grid cabin in the woods or a cabin in the swamp, etc., etc. Check them out if you haven't seen them. So I'm thinking with that right now, just popped in my head, I love the Vietnam era. I grew up listening to the tales of guys on construction sites that were in the Nam. Loved it. It's one reason why I joined the Marine Corps when I did. In the early 90s, early to mid 90s, I was still being trained by guys that were in Vietnam. So it's kind of cool to hear their stories and actually get first-hand training from that. So it actually left an impact on me. But where am I going with this? I'm thinking deer season is coming up this winter, and I want to make a tower or a deer blind. We're talking 10 to 12 foot high. So I'm thinking my next big project, we're going to tackle that bad boy, but do it my way. Pretty productive day, man. Caught quite a few fish. Now I'm looking for the elusive catfish. We got 6 lines out right now that we went ahead and baited from our bait fish and caught earlier. Hoping that occurs. I mean, I'll take small ones just to know that they're in here. That'd be a plus, because then I can get anything I want, basically. I'll be a happy camper. So tomorrow morning we'll check those bad boys and see what we got. bit of a rough night. But nothing I can't handle. If we check these lines, and then coffee time, or coffee time, and then check these lines. Yeah. Nothing like being creekside in the morning, tell you what. So this small creek right here runs the full 70 acres, and as you can see, it produces several bass, crappie, and even some catfish. Like I said, there's sunfish in here as well, and I think there's a couple of carp I see moving around. A lot of turtles also. So we'll come back here and do some more cool things. I just wanted to break from the cabin series. Like I mentioned, I got a tower sometime here in the future, so stay tuned for that. And there you go, solo overnight creekside camping, cowboy style. With that, all the gear in my videos can be found in 2 places. One on my Amazon influencer page and 2 on my Self-Reliance Outfitters influencer page. And if you're interested in Corporals Corner merchandise, that can be found on Teespring. All 3 links are found inside my description box. Now please do me that favor, hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.